to clean your iPhone both physically and digitally. Grab your phone and here's how we're gonna do it. To physically clean your iPhone, the first thing we need to do is turn off your phone. This is to prevent any accidental actions during the cleaning process. Then be sure to remove your phone case if you have one. Use a microfiber cloth or lint-free cloth to wipe the exterior of your iPhone. Gently wipe away fingerprints, smudges, and dust. Use a can of compressed air to blow away dust and debris from the charging port, speakers, and headphone jack. Hold the iPhone with the port facing down to prevent pushing debris further inside of your phone. If you don't have access to compressed air, a soft brush will work just fine. Never spray liquids directly into your iPhone. If you need to dampen the cloth, make sure it's just slightly damp and not wet. Be sure to clean your iPhone case and any accessories separately. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for cleaning to ensure the best results. To digitally clean your phone, be sure you have a recent backup of your iPhone's data. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and review any unnecessary apps, photos, or files you can delete to free up storage space. On your home screen, press and hold the app icon until the app starts shaking. Press the dash to delete unused apps. This can help declutter your home screen. In Settings, go to Safari, Clear History, and Website Data to remove browser cache and cookies. Review your notification settings by going to Settings, Notifications, Disable Notifications for apps you no longer need. Keep your apps updated to the latest versions to ensure they are optimized and secure. Regularly check for iOS updates by going to Settings, General, Software Update. Remember that regular maintenance, both physically and digitally, can help keep your iPhone running smoothly and looking its best. And that is how you clean your iPhone both physically and digitally.